I really need to get lighting. This top is super cute. I got this top from Amazon. It was one of the first Amazon drops. You know how they do collaborations with influencers? This was one of the first ones I ever bought. I love these collaborations that they do. So this one was a Fashion Guitar, which I love Fashion Guitar. I think she's, ooh, I only have notifications on for a few things, so that must be important. Sorry about that. It was indeed an important message I needed to answer. Today's video is going to be all over the place. I think I'm going to be popping in and out. It's going to be kind of like a vlog, but in this spot, in and out all day. I have a few things that delivered that I want to unbox. I have a few things that arrived that I want to show you. First thing being a Chanel shoe find. Hold on. Okay, so every Chanel amazing flat shoe that I've ever found, I found from Retouche, and obviously today or yesterday was no exception to that. So let me start off by showing you guys my favorites. So these are my favorite Chanel shoes. I wear these all the time, probably way too much. I got these at Retouche for $300. And they're these like little patent leather. You guys know how I feel about patent. I wear these like way too late in the fall too, because you know what I learned from Michael Kors himself? I used to work for the company a gajillion years ago. And Michael Kors once told me, I was in New York and I was wearing boots and I'd gotten salt stain all over my boots. And he said, honey, you need to wear patent so you can just Windex the patent clean. And that way you don't need to worry about stains. That marked my life because New York and Montreal weather is very similar. We all get the salt stain with the slush all over our shoes, and Michael Kors saved my shoes. So that comment marked my life forever. So I have always been a patent queen, which you guys know with my Chanels, with bags, I'm patent to the max. So this was a great find, silver hardware. A few months later, I got these bad boys. So these are just like these beautiful like little loafers, and you can see the, do you see the CC? So see that? I love, love, love these shoes. They're not as easy to wear as these because I think the shape on these, like these have more of like a tuxedo. These are more of like a chunky shoe. So they're not as easy, but wait until you see what I found yesterday. Look at this. Are these not freaking epic? Look at this too. They stamp CC when you walk. I can't. I am beyond with these. I wore these yesterday with like the most simple outfit ever, and they just were like such a hit, such a good look. So I found these at Retouche. The first ones, I got these for $300. I got these for $325, and these were I think I paid $400 for these. Like, these are like lace up, substantial, they're silver. Metallic is everything also. Like silver is the new classic, I feel like, you know what I mean? All right, with that being said, I got the Chanels out of the way. Okay, now that we talked Chanel, let's do a little unboxing from two things that I received. Actually three, I'll do an unboxing because I got something for Luca too for her birthday. So I'm gonna open this right now. So Luca's birthday party is on Sunday and we're doing quite the party. I'll probably, no, I can't vlog it because other kids are gonna be there, but I'll document it for Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me there because you get like little glimpses of what goes on in our life that you don't see here on YouTube that are like more, I don't know, you'll see. If you follow me there, you'll get it. So Luca's birthday party is on Sunday, and on Monday, which she doesn't know, my birthday present to her is we're going to Disney! I'm so excited. So it's gonna be her first time there. So for her actual birthday party, she's not getting a present because she doesn't know about Disney. She has no idea it's happening. I'm waking her up the day after her birthday at 4:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna be like, Luca, wake up. And she's gonna be like, why are you waking me up? And I'm gonna be like, babe, we're going to Disney right now. So I'm like packing all the suitcases and everything behind her back. Like she has no idea this is happening. I am beyond excited. So for her birthday, I got her a little something just so she has something to open. And I saw this at Zara and I thought it was the cutest thing in the world. So it's a little beach bag from the Luca movie, but obviously Luca's name is Luca. So this is gonna be her little beach bag because we're staying on a resort that has like water slides and stuff. So this will be her little like beach bag that we can put all of her stuff in. So my girl's gonna think that this is her birthday present, but in reality, it's Disney. All right, next off, I got this package from Retouche. I had a feeling it was this. Let's open the PR. So every year, Retouche does their authentic sweatshirts. Every year they send them to me. I love them, and it's just, authentic isn't just a word, it's a mindset. And I love this. I love this campaign. So they do this every year. Last year it was white with like a rainbow color authentic. This year they did it beige. I'm gonna be wearing this on the plane to Florida, and it is just a beige authentic, and it says Retouche. I live in the authentic sweatshirts. I think they're so cool, and I love that they did them beige this year. It makes me extra happy that this year they're beige, because I could just do like a nice like all neutral bike short look. I have the KGMTL nude bike shorts with this. Oof. Ooh, that'll be so cute. My little white sneakers from Farfetch. Oh yeah, that's gonna be super cute. I love that they sent it to me big too. Last year they sent me small, and I want my sweatshirts oversized. This is a medium, I think. Yes, yes. Speaking of Michael Kors changing my patent game, Michael Kors did a collaboration with LS, which I was so hyped about. LS track jackets are so good. Like, I love that look. It's such a cool UK brand. So when Michael Kors was like, we're gonna send you one of the collaboration bags, I was like, let's see what you guys got. So when you open the box, this is just what it looks like. And there's the card right here that says, Dear Melissa, we thought one more handbag for your handbag collection wouldn't hurt. Please enjoy this new piece from our latest Michael Kors and LS capsule. All the best, Michael Kors Canada team. Let's see, I don't want to rip the packaging because I'm going to reopen it for Instagram also. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is so cool. See, this is when like collaborations done right. Like, I feel like collaborations lately, they don't make sense. Like, I feel like it's weird the way they do it, but I feel like this is totally representative of both brands. This screams like Perry Ellis, early 2000s. I feel like Michael Kors, guys. And this is me coming as like an old school Michael Kors girl, like worked with the brand back in 2004. I think the brand is gonna make like, this is cool. And this collaboration is like, the kickoff. Okay, there's an extra strap. Oh, there's a nylon strap. This bag is such an era. It's like literally, this is screaming 1998 Melissa. This is literally Melissa in high school with her Ralph Lauren. Actually, it wasn't even Ralph Lauren because I wasn't that cool. It was Polo Sport. And I had a Polo Sport bag that looked just like this. I'm still friends with a lot of people who knew me back then, so guys, comment down below because you know which bag I'm talking about. For those of you who knew me back then, Outremont, Mile End, hangout days with our Polo Sports and Perry Ellis windbreakers. And our chunky Fila sneakers. Oh my God, we were so cool. And we always used to do our hair like this. Oh my God, do you guys remember stretch Ponte pants? They were like leggings, but they were boot cut with a little slit. If you remember that, please give this video a thumbs up because I feel like this just blends in right with that era. This is like, that's that vibe. That is totally that vibe. All right, I'm gonna continue on with my day. I'm gonna leave the camera set up where it is, and I'm gonna pop back in because I have a few things that are supposed to deliver today, so we shall continue. Oh my God, I'm in such a great mood today. It's Tuesday morning and I'm like, yes, loving life today. Okay guys, it's the next day and I completely forgot to finish yesterday's video. So we're gonna go ahead and continue right now. I'm about to go out and shoot this look. Wait, you guys have to see it, it's cute. The dress is cute. It's like an old Finders Keepers mini dress. My glasses are Bottega, so they're like a, and my shoes are Chanel. And I was just about to put on an arm scarf. Whenever I wear all black, I find I look really boring, but I really love the look. So I feel like I need to kind of like play it up a bit. So I got this really cute scarf from Second Life Jewels. Opened a pre-love, like vintage Instagram account where they sell really great pieces. And I found this scarf from them. So it's called Shop Authie, like authentic. I will list them down below. And in the summer, I love to do this. So this is my thing. I find it super cute. Hold on. Let me take off my watch. I look really pale. Okay, so what you do, put the twilly like this. And this is called the Melissa way. So you just wrap it twice. Okay, popping back in, I managed to tie it. So here, I'm about to leave. I just wanted to show you guys the look in the DSLR camera instead of it being on my phone, because I don't know what I did. I literally, my vlogging camera, my like fancy Canon, my GX7X, I don't know what I did. It's not fixing, so it's not working. So yeah, I don't know what I did to my fancy vlogging camera. It doesn't work. I really need it to work pre-Florida though. But yeah, this is the full look. I'm gonna go shoot my look and go grab a bite to eat. Let's do this. So it's officially the third time I attempt this video. I am outside of Rockland waiting for Julia to arrive from Retiche because I need to pick up a few things and I have a busy morning. I tried to do my hair wavy. What do we think, guys, by the way? Yeah, so I'm stopping at Retiche, picking up some stuff. Then I'm gonna stop on Royal Mount. A girlfriend of mine owns a company that specializes in nut-free, peanut-free, like all full nut macaroons or macarons, which Luca loves. And I'm gonna pick some up for her birthday party. So I'm gonna go pick up my order. I'll bring you guys there to pick up. And then we're going to Noise because I have to pick up some stuff for the trip to Florida. And we're gonna do a little collaboration together. So I'm gonna pick some stuff up there. In the meantime though, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So, whoops. Porsche Design Sunnies, which I haven't worn since last summer. I don't know what it is. I feel like Porsche Design are totally summer glasses. Jacket is Urban Revivo. I have a promo code. I'll link it down below. Bag is Vintage Bottega. Bodysuit is Zara. Shorts are Kuka and shoes are Chanel. Let's get this day started. Is anyone else super tempted to get an LV suitcase? Like, I love this suitcase every time I see it, and I think it's on sale right now. This is also a newbie that's here, and I am severely into it. So I went to go pick up a birthday present for Luca from my friend. So I'm gonna give her that. Now I'm picking up the macaroons, but I'm literally like in the factory section, like where they actually make them. Like, I'm not going to the cute shop. So I need to call her because I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go, but yeah, I need to go in now. Okay, I was totally on the wrong side. I was like on the delivery side of the building. I'm such a burnout. I was like, how am I picking this up in a garage door? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. I just picked up the macaroons, but now I have a meeting to go to. I need to keep the car cold. Air conditioning on. I swear to God, between work and Luca's birthday party, today is gonna be rock and roll. So birthday present, macaroons, these look unbelievable. Let's do this. All right, so I am just at Noise. I'm pulling up, I went to Uniqlo first, which is right there. And now I'm going into Noise. They have a store. I didn't even know they were in the Eaton Center. So we're gonna go check out what they have and do some shopping. I mean, the colors here, I love the merchandising. Like, it's so visually appealing. Like, it makes you want to like try everything on. Like, it's so pretty here. Making myself some lunch, and then we're gonna do that Noise try on. Thursday nights, I go for dinner at my parents', and my parents usually do pasta on Thursdays. It's my one day a week where I splurge on pasta. So I am doing a very light lunch. I just did 2 hard-boiled eggs. I'm using my summer truffle sea salt, the Canal one. I find it so good with hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna add like, I don't know, maybe a veggie to this, but I mean, my fridge is very empty of food because we're leaving in 2 days. And I have all the party stuff in my Cal Piggy, no. Yeah, I'm gonna need to add some like fruits or something because that ain't enough food. Cal Piggy, no, that's my lunch. Get down, buddy. Anyways, I'm not gonna make myself, I'm gonna eat this, cut up a pepper or something or have some carrots, and we're gonna go try on some Noise. Okay, so here's what I picked up. So you have the basic black tee. I love their logo. It's like an incognito logo. I picked up this as a onesie, but I'm going to wear this as a bodysuit. And I love that it's like a dip back. I'm going to wear this with like just jean shorts. I think it'll look super cute. Then I got this one piece, this bikini, this set, and this set. And I was going through my bikinis to see what exactly I needed, which clearly was nothing, but yeah. It's me. Here is the full-on bikini. The top is a size medium, bottom is a size small. I love the color I picked. Let me just show you guys full on what it looks like. I'm sorry if people are offended by this. I mean, I am not, and it's cheeky at the back, which is very flattering. I love the shape. Again, top is a medium, bottom is a small. I honestly could have probably gone large on top. And I mean, I would have said medium, but no, like, I feel like, no. I'll take a little bit of chicha over the bottoms being too big. I love how this bathing suit fits. Okay, and then there's this one that's like a more conservative, still very me bathing suit. Like in case there's no moms wearing super bikinis. I don't know how it's gonna be. So I got this one because I figure it's like a good me, but still like kind of conservative, I guess. I don't know. I like it. So I completely forgot to show you guys, hold on. I completely forgot to show you guys the last set so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the longer short versus the other one is the shorter short. This one is 22, it's on sale. The other one is 30. So I guess the shorter one is more popular. I happen to actually like the longer ones better. I like this set a lot. I love the other one, but I find this set is more wearable. You throw on a blazer. Like I really like this look. I think it's really a fun look. I actually think I'm going to keep it on and go shoot it right now. I actually just got a call. I have to run to the office really quickly. So I actually kept this look on. So let me just show you what it looks like. All right, so here is the full look. I actually tucked in the top to make it a bit shorter since the short's longer. Threw on a summer jacket, Bottega bag, black suede studio, naked sandals, and Fendi sunnies. So I'll take you along with me and we'll take my look at the same time. So I was gonna vlog to show you guys my mom taking my picture, but there's an alarm going on right now that is really annoying. You guys can probably hear it, so we're just gonna stop that. I just went to go pick up a package at the post office, and it's an eBay purchase I did. I'm gonna unbox it in the car. I'm so excited. A few months ago, Paco Rabanne everything. I was Paco Rabanne-ing everything. I was obsessed with the brand. Stock up because you can get things cheap and cheerful. I found this bag for like $300 on eBay, and I am so excited about this find. So it is this Paco Rabanne. Okay, I need to like stuff it though. Hold on a second. It came with like the Farfetch bill and everything. Buy it on the cheap. Because I have a feeling it's gonna be something big again. I bought all kinds of like vintage clothing too. And I'm super into, like, I've been carrying this Bottega everywhere. It's like my new smushy obsession. I love this size. Look at this beauty. Oh my God, you guys know how I feel about bucket bags. If you guys have been around since my bucket bag obsession era, it has not gone away. So it's like this like army green, almost like taupey green. And it has this inside leather insert and the lining is like a royal blue. Wow, this is good. Okay, I have to go pick up Luca at school right now, so I cannot do a try on of it. I paid $300 for this. And the original retail was €1,141. Paco Rabanne, everything, guys. Paco Rabanne. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of all over the place. I just felt like it was packed with really good content and I didn't want to like cut anything out. So anyways, here I am closing off a sit down / try on / vlog. I don't really know what it was that I was doing, but I feel like it worked. I hope when I edit the content, it comes across as fun as I thought it was. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're not already. I don't have anything else to say besides I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.